Afternoon, everybody. This is your trading update for June 24th. And boy, have things changed since we did our midday post and pre-market post. Dow was closing in on 17,000. Everything looked great here. We hit all-time highs. It looked like buy, 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 buy. And since then, the markets have retraced considerably and dropped quite significantly in the past couple hours. If we take a look at a 10-day chart here, you'll see that we were trying to get down to about 193.5 before. And then just kind of couldn't really do it. This was on the Fed minutes here. This was all on the Fed minutes here. You know, the dovish report from Janet Yellen here, and it looks like we've retraced all that and then some. If we take a look at our sectors here, you'll see things retrace considerably. You won't see actually much in real negative territory, considering how bullish things looked as we went into the afternoon. So it'll actually look better if we look on these sort of individual charts. So let's take a look at this Netflix here. Let's look at it on a day chart. And as you can see, she hit about 450 and retraced about 15 points. The stock is pretty much at her low right now. We take a look at names like, let's say, Priceline, let's say Tesla. They all look pretty similar. Rally off the open and then complete sell-off here. Amazon, as we go through all of these names, LinkedIn, all of these kind of things look pretty similar. This Twitter, we'll take a look at this Facebook, popped up considerably off the open here, up to 67, dumped all the way back here. We'll take a look at the banks. The banks. This Bank of America tried to make a move at that 1570, an area that we've been watching, and then totally gave it up too. Okay, so definitely time for some profit taking right now. The question is, are you going to have any follow through whatsoever? Is this going to be a follow through situation where we can short overnight here? And really catch some juice on some puts. Now, honestly, I'm not that confident on the trade, simply because you take a look back at your sectors here, and do you really have that panic selling right now? Do you really have it? One thing in particular that I'm taking a look at, and I want to short, and I would love to pull off a great short on it, is the Netflix as well as the Chipotle. So if we take a look back at this Netflix chart here, you'll see that 435 has been a significant area for her. So let's take a look back at this on the month chart. She's been sort of bouncing here at 435. Nobody really can get through that, and nobody wants to buy the puts here, the out-of-the-money puts, until that level sort of gets bopped out. So really, that's what I'm sitting here waiting for. Another one that I want to short aggressively is this Chipotle. Okay, Chipotle's been on a 100-point run from $500 here in the past month. And again, it could be an incredible opportunity to short. Now, question is, are we still a little bit too early to the ball? We're going to have to figure that out tomorrow for the pre-market and try to figure it out quickly. Okay, so tomorrow morning is going to be a very, very important day. All right, stay tuned, everybody.